sorry, but we still can't feed you today.
But it's still spring.
Yeah. But we have not seen any deaths this month, right? So that's very good news. It means it's working. Now, is Spot around? And have you got your hood up? Because, yeah. It is raining today. Is that Spot? That's not Spot. Where's Spot? Flying high. I love you, Waddle. You're the best duck. Oh, a lapwing on this side. Look. Down there by the bush. Can you see? Just up there. One lapwing. Spot may be unavailable today. Oh, and it's really rainy. I was worrying. He does seem a bit tired. Maybe. What do we say about rain? It's
nice weather for dogs.
Is it though, is the thing. I know they don't get wet like we do, but oh! I don't know, what do you think? Is it nice weather? It's not nice weather for me, look at me! I'm all cold and wet! Okay, this is getting very difficult for me with the rain and everything.